Good afternoon, and thank you for tuning in to the Woodall Grain Post-Market Wrap-Up for Thursday, November the 12th, 2015. December corn was only off 1 penny today, settling at $3.62. $3.60 that I talked about yesterday continues to be significant support for the December contract, and we feel like we could potentially oscillate here for quite some time, as historically we are in a quiet period of the contract, and we also, quite frankly, have great headwinds fundamentally to keep us from moving up. We continue to battle the strength of the dollar, and our exports that the USDA released on Tuesday showed that, or potential exports, and as well as things such as the correlation of oil or crude and corn. We watched that, and if you'll note today, oil reached multi-month lows, down, testing the lows that were established back in August. January 16 beans were up 2 1/4 cents today, basically flat, selling at $8.63. And it has been our finding that markets show patterns that repeat over time. Now, the length of time can vary, and counting from the high that was made on July the 14th, we are making what looks like 5 clean legs down, and the low that was established on Tuesday is an exact 61.8% ratio between the ranges of the two legs. That's that 61.8% for the technician is an important number. If we hold these lows that were made on Tuesday, we could be seeing a correction or a pullback here. If we don't, our next termination level is 830.5. And we also have actually one below that where time and price square out at 805. December wheat was up 3 3/4 cents today, settling at $4.98. Both today and yesterday we had an 8-cent trading range, and the contract is approaching oversold in the stochastic indicator. That's one of the first indicators to let us know possibly that the contract wants to turn up. A close below 483 and a quarter, we will see 463. If we can continue to close above 483 and a quarter, we could find some potential strength there. July 16 wheat was up 2 3/4 cents, closing at 504 and a quarter. Hey, thank you for tuning in to the Woodall Grain Post-Market Wrap-Up. We continue to want to encourage you to look over our new website at www.woodallgrain.com. Look over those marketing opportunities that are there in the form of the contracts we have listed. If you have any questions about those, please reach out to us. Our phone number is there on our homepage, and we would love to talk to you about marketing your existing grain or the grain that you will be starting for next year. Thanks, and have a great afternoon.